There's something I need to know. This is my campsite, and that is a full-blown turkey vulture sitting on the table. Yeah, what's going on there? There's no food over there. You know how I like to get into the nature. What you doing there, bird? Are these the things that are crawling up on there and leaving their little calling cards? Alright, let's get him out of here. No? Watch this wingspan. Ready? Guys, hold on. Can you see right through his beak? There's a hole right through his beak. Why is... I'm like 30 feet away or less. Yeah, see the front end of his beak? Looks like a golden eagle from the backside. Alright, nothing to see here. Bye-bye.